The light was leaving in the west, it was blue. The children's laughter sang, skipping just like the stones they threw. The voices echoed across the waves. It's getting late, and it was just another night with the sunset and a moonrise, not so far.